You are halfway through cutting a curved opening in sheet metal when the tool jams, the edge starts looking chewed up, and suddenly a 10-minute job becomes an hour of filing. A good metal nibbler changes that completely. Today, we are counting down the 7 best options for cleaner cuts, tighter curves, and far less frustration in the workshop. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. MTOHIG Gem. This cordless nibbler immediately makes practical sense. Drop in a compatible battery, choose one of the 3 speed settings, and you have a surprisingly flexible cutter for sheet metal jobs where dragging a cord around would become annoying fast. The brushless motor reaches 1900 revolutions per minute with enough capacity for 16-gauge mild steel, 18-gauge stainless steel, and 12-gauge aluminum. In actual use, that means it fits fabrication, roofing, automotive panels, and general workshop projects without feeling like a delicate specialty tool. What I particularly like is the 360-degree rotating head. Curves and awkward angles become much easier because you can change the cutting direction instead of twisting your entire body around the workpiece. The side handle can also switch sides, which helps during longer jobs. You get 2 tungsten titanium blades as well. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Oh yes, cleanup is the detail people forget about until tiny metal chips are scattered across the bench, floor, gloves, and somehow inside your shoe. That is where the OES gets interesting. Its integrated waste bag catches debris while you work, which can make repetitive cutting sessions noticeably less irritating. Performance is competitive too. The brushless motor delivers up to 1900 strokes per minute and handles 16-gauge mild steel, 18-gauge stainless steel, and 12-gauge aluminum. Variable speed control lets you slow things down when accuracy matters instead of attacking every material at maximum power. It accepts DeWalt 20-volt max batteries and 20 to 60-volt flex-volt batteries. There is also automatic shutdown when battery voltage drops below 15.5 volts, adding some useful protection against potential overload damage. The ergonomic handle is comfortable during longer cuts, although the overall design is more practical than refined. This makes the most sense for someone doing frequent workshop or installation work who hates stopping to clean up metal debris. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Build-A. There is something reassuring about a tool that gives you a thick handle instead of making you pinch a narrow body for 20 minutes. Build-A clearly leaned into control here, and that larger grip becomes especially useful when you are wearing work gloves or guiding the cutter through longer sections of sheet metal. Its brushless motor reaches 2000 strokes per minute, slightly quicker than several competitors on this list. It can handle 16-gauge mild steel, 18-gauge stainless steel, and 12-gauge aluminum, with 3 speed settings to balance fast progress against more controlled cutting. The 360-degree rotating head is another strong point. You can move from straight cuts into curves and awkward angles without constantly repositioning the entire tool. 2 tungsten titanium blades are included, 1 installed and 1 spare. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Vevor 380. Cordless convenience gets most of the attention these days, but sometimes you just want consistent power, a straightforward design, and a tool that arrives with basically everything needed to start working. That is the appeal of the Vevor 380. It is refreshingly focused on being a practical workshop machine. This is the one I'd recommend for a garage or workshop user who values dependable, continuous operation and a complete accessory kit over maximum portability. Running at 1800 revolutions per minute, it cuts steel sheet from 0.5 to 1.8 millimeters and stainless steel from 0.5 to 1.2 millimeters. The cutting action is spark-free and designed to leave a cleaner, burr-free edge. Its head rotates through 360 degrees, which is especially useful for irregular shapes and directional changes. The slim body is easy to grip, while the sliding switch supports continuous operation during longer cuts. The obvious trade-off is losing cordless freedom. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. CNKM JRBD. Some tools look fine on paper, then become exhausting once you actually spend an afternoon controlling them. CNKM JRBD tackles that problem with a detachable auxiliary handle. And for longer cutting sessions, two-handed stability can make a bigger difference than another headline specification. The brushless motor is designed for mild steel, stainless steel, and aluminum, while 3 speed settings let you adjust the cutting pace for different materials and levels of precision. Its 360-degree rotating head also handles straight cuts, curves, and angled work without forcing awkward hand positions. Detailed cutting capacities are less clearly defined than with some rivals, which is my main concern for demanding professional buyers. Still, this makes the most sense for users who prioritize cordless mobility, two-handed control, cleaner working conditions, and simple speed adjustment. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Kiwi. Here is the model I would look at when cutting thicker sheet and keeping the workspace cleaner are both high priorities. The Kiwi combines a brushless motor, 3 selectable speeds, an auxiliary handle, and a debris collection bag into a package aimed at controlled, repetitive work. It is rated to cut steel plate up to 1.8 millimeters thick and aluminum up to 2.5 millimeters. That gives it useful versatility for fabrication projects where a lightweight cutter might begin struggling. The hardened alloy blade system is designed to produce clean edges with minimal deformation and fewer burrs. One specification claiming speeds up to 30,000 revolutions per minute is unusually high for this category, so I would personally focus more on its adjustable control and stated cutting capacity than that headline number. This is an excellent fit for buyers wanting stronger material capability, debris collection, and comfortable two-handed operation. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. MTO-HIG 7B. This pick deserves a spot in this video because it is less like a traditional punch-style nibbler and more like a highly versatile cordless cutting tool, which makes it especially attractive for users who regularly move between metal and other materials. Its high-torque brushless motor is rated at an impressive 221 pound-feet of torque, with support for cutting 18-gauge metal along with steel, aluminum, cardboard, carpet, and more. That broader material range makes this useful beyond a dedicated metal fabrication bench. It runs on compatible DeWalt 20-volt batteries, although no battery is included. I also prefer the clearly stated cutting capacities of some traditional nibblers for heavier sheet metal work. But for overall versatility, mobility, and ease of handling, this is my top choice. It makes the most sense for DIY users, installers, and workshop owners wanting one cordless cutter for a wider variety of projects. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best metal nibblers that you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.